Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Stock Explorer once again. It's Pranav here once again for you all. Today, we'll be talking about Bikaji Food International Limited. It's one of the famous companies in India which deals in namkeen and snacks like Haldiram. So, Haldiram के बाद अगर आपने कोई famous नमकीन वाला company सुनी है snacks की तो Bikaji is pretty prominent. And why I think that this company should be in the radar for coming days, we'll talk about that now. It's recently been in quite a buzz. Season time है and festive season भी है plus सालक भी है शादियाँ भी हो रही हैं. Lot of gifts are happening. Gift people start gifting to their relatives as well. And plus it's winter, so people usually tend to consume a lot of wine, whiskey and beers. And because ये food के items उस time पे ज़्यादा consume होते हैं. But this is not the case that why we should buy this company. We're gonna look into the fundamentals of the company. So as you can see, the company's market cap is 20,000 crores. It's trading at a P of 67. It's expensive. I wouldn't say it's cheap. It's expensive right now, but गिरता भी नहीं. This stock you will see, you won't find this stock falling down much. इतनी market में fall आई, but still the market, the stock didn't fall much. It's a very strong company compared to others. ROC देखेंगे कंपनी का, it's 29.6% and dividend yield is basically meager 0.12% का dividend yield है. Book value is of 53 and none of the holding is pledged. So great company. Promoter holding 75% की है. Promoters के पास solid holding है. So all the advantages I can see here, except the only thing which I see which is right now negative is the PE of the company, which is pretty high. We can look at it and we can wait on that before we start investing. Now we'll quickly go and check the fundamental, like what is the company's presentation saying. So these are the products basically. If you haven't seen the Bikaji logo, Amitabh Bachchan is the brand ambassador for Bikaji, and these are the few products which you will be able to see around. ये लोगो है बीकाजी का एंड दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो हल्दीराम की तरह ही पैकेजिंग है इनकी. काफ़ी प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स हैं एंड वेरी फेमस इन मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया राइट नाउ. ओके, perfect. So this, the company has shown strong quarter performance compared to last year. So compared to last year, this year the company has shown 18.5% increment in the revenue and 21% increment in the EBITDA as well. So EBITDA is basically earning before interest, tax, and amortization. So profit after tax is also increased 14.7%, and gross margin जो increment हुआ है उनका which is 33% का. EBITDA margin में भी increment हुआ है. So overall, if you'll see every aspect of the company, it has increased from last quarter. Quarter increment हुआ है. Annually भी आप देखेंगे it has increased. Same thing has happened for half of second half of the first half of the year compared to the first half of 2024. वहाँ पे भी इंक्रीमेंट दिखेगा आपको. EBITDA मार्जिन में भी इंक्रीमेंट है, पैट में भी इंक्रीमेंट है, विच इज़ सॉलिड. नाउ लुकिंग एट द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी कि भाई कंपनी कहाँ कहाँ बेस्ड आउट है इंडिया में. आई क्विकली शो यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स हैज़ ऑल द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड plants and most of it in Bikaner right now, because Bikaner they get easy access of to cow milk and moong dal and moor dal as well. Apart from that, in east part of India, you'll see it's majorly in Guwahati, Muzaffarpur, and Calcutta, which is able to capture the eastern part of the India. Helps in serving over there. Tumkur is another place where they cater the South India. So South India में इनका plant तुमकुर में है, ईस्ट में इनका plant कैलकटा एंड गुवाहाटी में है, एंड सेंटर में जो इनका मेजर सेगमेंट कवर करने के लिए वो है पटना, कानपुर एंड मुजफ्फरपुर, जहाँ से यूपी, दिल्ली, ये सारे एरिया जितने भी हैं एमपी के आसपास सब ऊपर के एरिया नॉर्थ इंडिया के कवर करते हैं यहाँ से. सो अभी भी बहुत प्लेसेस हैं वेयर दे कैन एक्सपैंड देमसेल्फ. सो as you can see, they haven't got lot of facilities, but still they are able to capture most of India. Right now the company has superb capacity of 3,15,000 मीट्रिक टन विच इज़ अमेजिंग. इसमें से 50,000 55,000 तो भुजिया की है, अराउंड 1,30,000 कैपेसिटी मीट्रिक टन की इनकी नमकीन की है. ग्रेट कंपनी विद ग्रोइंग एस्पेक्ट्स. डायरेक्ट कवरेज नंबर ऑफ आउटलेट्स इफ यूल सी from 2022 when they had 71,000 outlets, which has increased to 2,78,000 in September 24. In 2 years, they have almost tripled their outlets, not tripled, quadrupled their outlets right now. So the number of outlets they have increased. अभी इनका recent mergers भी news में आ रहे हैं. They have already started merging with one of the companies in Lucknow, which is called the Hazelnut Factory, you know, the famous, pretty renowned bakers in Lucknow. उनके साथ इन्होंने merger किया around 300 crores का. So they'll be putting out the products in their outlets, which is amazing. They are targeting smaller cities and tier 2 cities as well to product out there, to showcase their products, and also give brand awareness भी होगी लोगों में once they'll try it. They're also doing marketing, like ATL marketing activities, above the line marketing activities, which are pretty expensive for the company. So they have, as you know, brand ambassador is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Ad देखा होगा आपने, नहीं देखा then you can YouTube and see the ad of Bikaji. Pretty nice ad. They have also started advertising in KBC right now with their brand banner coming in between the shows as well. Their campaigns are also running on other platforms like Sony, Aaj Tak, News 18, Z News, Star Gold. ये सब पे भी आपको दिखेंगे. BTL मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ भी कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ लाइक बिलो द लाइन, जिसमें वो बसेस के ऊपर, ट्रक्स के ऊपर, शॉप्स में जाके बैनर्स लगा रहे हैं जहाँ पे उनके नमकीन लगते हैं. सेम थिंग हैपनिंग इन स्कूल्स एज वेल. आउटसाइड द मॉल दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग गिफ्ट गारंटी ऑन एवरी पैक एंड प्रमोटिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स. टेम्पोज में, ऑटोज में, स्कूल्स के बाहर, पान वाले पे. दीज आर लाइक स्मॉल प्लेसेस वेयर दे आर ट्राइंग टू embrace people and understand like कि भाई हमारा product, what is the product line segment, and also if you want to try you can come and try as well. So I think they are doing free sampling as well, which they did in Kawad Yatra right here. So sampling of Bikaji products also happened in Kawad Yatra. They made sure that every Kawad Yatri could come and try their products, different variety of products. So एक idea लगता है लोगों में, and then word of mouth happens. So these things are happening. Social media platform, they are also trying with the help of movie stars and influencers. Right now Shraddha Kapoor, during her film Shri, she promoted Bikaji ka product. Same thing with Diljit Dosanjh right now with his Dilluminati tour. वो आया भी, उन्होंने ऐड किया with Bikaji products, and it's reaching a lot of people. In like lot of interaction is also happening from those places. 6 million, 7 million people, 71 million impressions have come through online presence. They have 4 languages ad over there. Website 3 lakh website clicks. That's big number, guys. Like people are coming and visiting the website. 3 lakh number is a big number. 4 languages: Gujarat, Assam, Karnataka, English. A lot of people are coming through these languages, different languages of ad as well. Now coming to business performance, as I mentioned, they have increment in every part of the sector. Ethnic snacks में भी देख लीजिए आप, 13% का इंक्रीमेंट है. वॉल्यूम में भी इंक्रीमेंट है, रेवेन्यू में भी इंक्रीमेंट है, एथनिक स्नैक्स में भी है, वेस्टर्न स्नैक्स में भी है, पैकेज फूड में भी है, पापड़ में भी. So everywhere if you'll see, company has increased from last year to this year. And product mix में भी देखेंगे from last year compared to last year, if you'll see, 68% was their money coming from ethnic snacks. This year 65% is coming, but what has increased is packaged sweets. Packaged sweets may from 17% has increased to 18%, and western snacks from 8% to 8.5%. So basically they have targeted great companies where they started using their hampers for their employees. अब जैसे आपको tie up हो गया for big company, let's say Infosys or Mahindra, and you have to give hampers for all the employees. It's a big order for any company. So they have started targeting all these big companies with the western snacks packages. So जो आपको दिवाली पे hampers मिलते हैं अगर आप काम करते हैं, these are the products where companies which deliver all the product for you all. So that's how they make the money as well. Okay, now we'll quickly go and see in the chart as well. Like as I showed you, everything they have been increasingly growing right now. Total revenue from operation compared to last year and quarter to quarter as well, I'll show you. Year on increase, they have increased 18%. Quarter on quarter is 26% increase from in revenue. So 7,200 million, it's in millions, guys. 7,212 million rupees का revenue आया, which is 18% increase last year से, और 20%, 26% increment है quarter on quarter. Quarterly भी धमाल कर रही है और साल दर साल भी धमाल कर रही है. कंपनी में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अगर आप इसके सेंसिटिविटी देखें, प्राइस सेंसिटिविटी, कि भाई इसका पाम ऑयल एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा तो क्या करेगी, अगर लैमिनेट्स प्लास्टिक पैकेजिंग एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा तो क्या करेगी, पल्सेस एक्सपेंसिव होगा तो क्या करेगी. सो फार इट्स बीन प्रीटी स्टैग्नेंट. आप देखिए प्राइसेस देखिए एडिबल ऑयल्स के, एंड इट हैज़ डिक्रीज, विच इज़ हेल्पिंग देम. From 1 it has increased to 1.2 in between, and right now it's decreasing. So अभी तो गिर रहे प्राइसेस, विच इज़ एडवांटेज फॉर द कंपनी. सेम फॉर द पल्सेस, पहले बहुत सस्ते थे, राइट नाउ इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. तो इट्स दैट्स वन ऑफ द कॉस्ट डिसएडवांटेज फॉर द कंपनी कि भाई पल्सेस के प्राइस बढ़ेंगे बट दे कांट इंक्रीज द प्राइस राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट्स प्रीटी टाइट मार्केट एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट. अपना प्राइस ये लोग नहीं तय कर सकते बिकॉज हल्दीराम हैज ऑल्सो टू डिलीवर दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. Same thing for laminates when they do their packaging from companies like Uflex. So they, if the packaging will increase, the product will also increase. So these are some of the direct costs which will come to the companies as well. If you'll see profit after margin or profit after tax margin, PAT margin, one thing which I wanted to show you, the PAT margin last quarter was 10% in June. This quarter, 30th September ended, they made PAT margin of 9.5, which is less than last quarter. So 0.5 का PAT margin कम आया है compared to last year. But if you compare first half of the year to first half of the year 2024, last year इस time तक 9.3% किया था, and this year the company has done 9.8%. So it means the other 9.3 से 10% आया company last year. So the other 6.7% which the company made was made in the second half of the year, which is in the season time right now. So we can expect great demand right now from the season as well. ऐसा तो है नहीं लोग खाना बंद कर देंगे. They will eat, and the growth is also coming since they are expanding themselves, showcasing their products. Outlets बढ़ गए हैं इनके 2,75,000 outlets में पहुंच चुका है product. So these all things will help as well. Now we will quickly go and check the chart, like what is the chart of the company showing. Right now the share is at 802 level. अभी हाई मार क्या आया है, द कंपनी मेड हाई ऑफ 1000 लेवल, 1000 के लेवल पे गया. एंड अभी रिसेंट जो करेक्शन आया मार्केट में, इट हैज टच डाउन टू 719. लेट्स चेक द वॉल्यूम, लाइक व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम लाइक. वॉल्यूम भी आप देखिए, सो इट्स नॉट दैट सुपर वॉल्यूम, ऐसी कोई वॉल्यूम नहीं दिख रही कहीं पे. बट इफ यूल सी, आई विल शो यू द पी. अभी आपको मैं पी दिखाता हूँ. ओके, राइट नाउ द कंपनीज पीई इज 67. मीडियन पी जो इस कंपनी का रहता है, यूजुअली द पी इज अराउंड 75. सो अपने मीडियन पी से कम पे मिल रही है आपको. ओके, 5 साल के मीडियन पी की बात हो रही है. 3 to 5 years मीडियन पी इसका 75 ही रहता है. इट्स ए रीसेंट लिस्टिंग, यू नो, 2 साल ही हुए मेरे ख्याल से इसको भी आए हुए. बट ये अपनी पी के नीचे मिल रहा है एंड एट अ ग्रेट प्राइस राइट नाउ. सुपर कंपनी विच इज़ ग्रोइंग ऑन अ वेरी कॉन्स्टेंट, भाई ग्रो होता जा रहा है, होता जा रहा है, होता जा रहा है. कुछ सुपर नॉर्मल ग्रोथ नहीं आ रही एकदम से, बट इट्स इंक्रीजिंग इट्स ग्रोथ slowly, 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 slowly. Right now, if you'll see, the promoter holding has been strong. 75% से 0.50% और 0.30% उन्होंने अपना सेल किया है, probably for increasing their more facilities. 74.9% की FIIs ने भी हल्का सा इंक्रीज किया है, फ्रॉम not हल्का, अब फुल पावर इंक्रीज किया फ्रॉम 3.71 to 7.4%. They have increased from in 2 years. Same thing for DIAs guys, 9% से they have come almost around 13%. And public का आप देखिए, दिया किसने, पब्लिक ने दिया है. सो पब्लिक के हाथ में तो है ही नहीं. और जो स्टॉक पब्लिक के हाथ में नहीं होता है वही स्टॉक होता है ऐसा जिसको आपको होल्ड करना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑल द बिग प्लेयर्स आर होल्डिंग इट. सो FIS के पास मेजर सेगमेंट है, promoters का मेजर सेगमेंट है. एंड इफ यू सी इन पब्लिक एज वेल, some of the big names, Lighthouse India Fund, India 2020 Maharaja Limited, these are the few names which are holding it. Mutual fund में आप देखिए, Quant Mutual Fund is the biggest one who is holding 4.49% of the equity of the company is held by Quant. Wow. Tata AI Life Insurance भी hold कर रहा है, Canara भी is also holding it. So great names, Edelweiss Trusted Company, IAFL. These are the few names which are holding it, and right now it's been on the radar of few of the great investors as well. So they're gonna add this company soon in their portfolios, and you'll be coming to see once they come on the news and telling you all. This which is leaked on internet and but you shouldn't rely on that. Look at the company. It looks great. We can hold this company for a long term perspective. I'm talking about long term perspective, guys. It's everything which I'm talking is for long term perspective, and we can start investing in this company around this level, 750, 700 level. and then hold on until 1000, because that's acting like a great resistance for the company. Once it breaks out 1000, we will start adding more on that. So you can go in slow and we'll start adding aggressively after 1000. So आप यहाँ पे start कर सकते हैं, and then staggered way में you start putting it. Once it cross 1000, we can go heavy on this company. Rest apart, let me know how was this video as well. A quick video from mine on Sunday, and I hope you enjoying your Sunday too, guys. So we'll be seeing you on probably tomorrow or day after with another interesting video. Thank you once again, and hope you like and subscribing. Thank you.